How to retire a millionaire with $5 a day. Disclaimer: the following is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Most people think the only way to become a millionaire is to win the lottery, become a famous YouTuber, or inherit money from a rich uncle. But that is a lie. The truth is, you can become a millionaire on a minimum wage salary. You don't need a degree. You don't need luck. You just need $5 a day and a mathematical trick that Albert Einstein called the eighth wonder of the world. In this video, I'm going to show you the math that schools refuse to teach you. By the end of this video, you will have a plan to retire rich just by giving up one coffee a day. Let's meet two friends, Broke Bob and Smart Sam. Bob works hard, but every morning he goes to Starbucks and buys a fancy latte for $5. He says, "It's just $5, it doesn't matter." But let's do the math. $5 a day is $150 a month. That is $1,800 a year. Over 40 years, Bob has spent $72,000 on flavored water. Now let's look at Smart Sam. Sam makes his coffee at home for 20 cents. He takes that $5 bill and he doesn't put it under his mattress. He invests it. And because Sam understands how money works, that $5 isn't just $5. It's a seed. And that seed is about to grow into a forest. The solution: compound interest. To understand how Sam gets rich, you need to understand the snowball effect, also known as compound interest. When you invest money, your money earns interest. Let's say you get a 10% return. You put in $100, you get $10 free. Now you have $110. Year 2, $110 plus 11 equals $121. Next year, you don't just earn money on your original $100, you earn money on the new $110. It starts slow, but eventually it explodes. This is the hockey stick curve. The first few years are boring, but after year 20, your money starts making more money than you do at your job. Let's look at the real numbers. If you are 20 years old and you invest just $5 a day into the S&P 500, which has historically returned about 10% per year, by the time you are 65, you won't have $72,000. You will have $1.5 million. You literally became a millionaire by sacrificing a coffee. But wait, what if you wait until you are 30 to start? You lost 10 years. Is it a big deal? Yes, it is a huge deal. If you start at 30, that same $5 a day only grows to $500,000. You lost $1 million just by waiting 10 years. This is the cost of procrastination. Okay, so you have $5. Where do you actually put it? You don't pick random stocks. You don't buy crypto memes. You buy the whole market. This is called an index fund or an ETF, like the S&P 500. You are buying a tiny piece of the 500 biggest companies in America. If Apple goes up, you win. If Amazon goes up, you win. You don't have to be smart. You just have to be consistent. Set up an auto transfer for $150 a month and forget about it. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Do not let another day go by where your money is sleeping instead of working. Subscribe for more money tips. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit like, share, comment, and subscribe to Stick Figure Story for more.